This adjustable side table is one of the quickest furniture assemblies I've done. There are only a few pieces in the box, and the setup is just 4 simple steps. I had it completely assembled in just a few minutes. The company sent it to me to test out, and everything is clearly labeled. The instructions are easy to follow. Here's everything that's in the box. It's a really nice, sleek black color, and instead of being locked into one height like most side tables, this one adjusts anywhere from 19 inches all the way up to 31.5 inches, and it only takes seconds to change. You just twist this middle section on the rod and it easily slides up and down. So it's easy to customize depending on where you want to use it. It's perfect next to the couch for keeping a drink, phone, remote within easy reach. It would also work really well beside a bed, next to an armchair, or even as a small standing desk if you want to work on your laptop, answering emails, or getting a little work done. I also think it would make a really nice plant stand since the simple pedestal design doesn't distract from whatever's sitting on top. Even though it's a compact table, it is really solid. The steel support tube and the sturdy tabletop prevent it from wobbling around during everyday use. The tabletop also has a raised edge around it, so this is really nice to keep things like cups, water bottles, or other small things from accidentally sliding off if the table gets bumped. The size is another thing I really like. It's not too big, so it doesn't take up much space. It's easy to fit beside a couch, chair, or bed without making the room feel crowded. This would also make a great option for apartments, dorms, or smaller spaces where every inch counts, but it still gives enough room for the essentials. I like to move this around from room to room. It's really lightweight, so that makes it easy. Here, I'm going to show you what it looks like next to my couch. I set it at the taller height so I can show you how easy it is to adjust down. I like that it can be changed so easily depending on what I'm using it for. It's a simple piece of furniture, but the quick assembly, adjustable height, and versatile design make it surprisingly useful in a lot of different rooms around the house.